Hello my dear friends, you are listening Priya on my channel Freestyle Parenting India. आज मैं हमारे बच्चों के लिए लाई हूँ 10 lines on National Science Day. So without any wasting time, let's start. National Science Day is celebrated in India on 28th February every year. It celebrates the discovery of Raman effect by Indian physicist Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. The day is an opportunity to promote scientific tempo and awareness of the role of science in daily life. Activities such as the seminars, workshops and science exhibition are held to engage the public in scientific discussion and activities. It is organized by various educational institutions, science organizations and government agencies. National Science Day also provides a platform to recognize and honor the contributions of Indian scientists to the world of science. It is a chance to encourage young people to pursue careers in science and technology. The objective of National Science Day is to popularize science and its applications for the benefit of society. This day is a reminder of the need for quality science education in schools and colleges. It reminds us of the role of science and technology in improving our lives and contributing to economic and social development. The theme of National Science Day 2023, Global Science for Global Wellbeing. So I think it is enough for our children's. नेशनल साइंस डे क्या है, क्यों मनाया जाता है, किस लिए मनाया जाता है, इन 10 लाइन्स से बच्चों को ओवरऑल नॉलेज हो जाएगा और इससे वो और भी ज़्यादा एलॉबरेट करके लिख सकते हैं. That's it from my end. If you feel video is informative, please like and share, and if you want to see such more videos, do subscribe my channel.